Okay, good morning. Grade 6, I forgot to record again. So again, any part, any line that passes through the center point, that is what we call diameter. And the radius is from the center point going to another part of the circle. Okay? Now, so yesterday, I think that is very clear that you understand. And some of you pass me like that you are working, a photo that you are working. I need that one. No, everybody should pass like that, like the Chaton, Quezon, who's that? Warrington. I saw it. So here, so we have here. I know some of you are still sleepy. Look at the face of Narisa. No, still sleepy. You know. So diameter here, let's put letter D. Diameter is line segment A, B. Radius or radii, we have our 3. We have OC, we have OB, and we have OA. Our chord here, letter C, is line segment DE or line segment ED. All right? Now, so let's talk about circumference of a circle. That is our lesson for today. Circumference of a circle, I hope can you write this one? Can you write this one? Is this correct? In your book, Koday, we are in page 127. I know, 125. Page 125. You write the pasatay of that one because it will help you with teacher Pengjan. I don't know if you study already with teacher Pengjan about this one. And you have a new teacher in science, right? Okay. So circumference, is this correct? I think so. Now, circumference is correct. Is the distance around a circular region is known as circumference. So the question here, Narisa, how big is the circle? How many centimeters is the circle? For example, we have the circle here, and we don't know. So I will use another color green. For example, we will cut the circle here. So and then we will. I will use this one today.
We will tour.
Do you want me to cut this one? Look at my screen. A circle. Huh?
No,ไม่ต้องคัดหรอกเฉย
If I will cut this one, it will become straight, right?
Yeah.
That one, if that will become straight, that's okay. This one, right? This one. Circle like that.
Rubber band ก็ได้
ไม่ต้องอันนี้ก็ได้ circle, very circle. Ano? So if we will cut that one, what's the circumference of the circle? So it will become like this. Wait for a while. Can you see my screen? Yeah. Like this, no? Tanyarat is here. Tanyarat is here. Erase the name of Tanyarat here because Tanyarat is present. Okay, for example, that is a circle. Now, if I will cut that one, how big is the circle? So if we will flap that one, so how many centimeters from my right finger, from my right hand, going to the left hand? So that is what we call circumference. So that is very, very easy to understand. And because we have the formula. Do not forget this one, that we have a formula. Okay? The formula of getting the circumference, can you see that one? Can you see the whiteboard? Everyone, can you see the whiteboard?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Circumference of the circle. So we need to know what is this? What is this? I cannot see you. What's that?
Pi.
Pakisang is here.
Pi.
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 Okay, no? Not pi. Not pi that you are not pi that is a food. PI. PI. May siya PIE. PIE is a food. Right? Pi. And the value of pi is equal to 3.14 or 22 over 7. Now, that is the same. That is the same actually. Now, that is 3.141 like that. That is very long. But in your word problem or in the work here, in your workbook, it says there you can use 3.14 or 22 over 7 because there are numbers that is, if we will use 3.14, it's easier to solve, to answer. And there are questions that 22 over 7 is easier to answer or to use, no? Okay, for example, do not forget this one, pi will never change. The value of pi will never change. Natanita said, teacher, can I put 3.15? Day Maya. My day. Teacher, can I use 3.10? No, cannot. Pi will not change. No? Since I was a kid, I studied this one, like you. Until now, it will not change, never change. This is constant, okay? Now remember this one, pi is equal to 3.14 or 22 over 7. And the circumference, you write C, could I? Because we have area, so you need to remember, circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Okay, that is the circumference of the circle. 2 times, or that is equal to 2 times pi times r. What is r? Radius. Okay, so this is very important. The radius here is very important to locate, to understand, to know where is the radius, right? How many centimeters is the radius? How many inches? How many feet? How many meters? So we need to know where is the radius located. Okay? So that is 2 times pi, 2 times pi times r, or let's say 2 pi r, 2 pi r, okay? Do not forget, please write this one. Circumference, you can write anywhere so that you can understand very easily. Circumference, what is circumference? The distance around the circular region. So how big is the circle? How big is the circle? We are not only this one, circle. From here, let's say color blue, from here going there, that is circumference. If we will talk about area, how big is inside? No? Inside. That is area. But we are talking about circumference from here going there. How long? How long? How long is that one? Because it's the distance. Okay? Let's have the example. For example, I have, let's put here the library image. Let's put a circle. We have a circle here. Radius. Okay. This one. For example, we cannot erase the radius now. For example, the question here, Page, let's go to page 126. Page 101, 126. Page 126. Define the circumference of the circle. What is the drawing there? What is the radius?
16 centimeters.
R is equal to 16 centimeters. Am I right? That is the radius. And do not forget what is the formula of circumference? C is equal to circumference is equal to
2 pi r.
2 pi
2 pi r.
r. Do not forget that one. 2 pi r. As easy as that. If you have the radius, then you're done. You're finished. Now you need to multiply. And it says here in example number 1, take pi is equal to 22 over 7. Right? Example number 1, you read that one. Find the circumference of the circle. Dot. Take pi is equal to 22 over 7. Samay? So we will take that one. Okay, C first. C circumference is equal to 2 times. What is our pi?
Time.
What is our pi?
22 over 7.
22 over 7 times. What is the radius?
Times 16 centimeters.
Okay, this is the radius here. So 16. Okay, as easy as that. 2 times 22 over 7 times 16. Do not forget, this is a fraction. Chamay? Multiplication of fraction. Do not be confused. So that is 2 over 1 times 22 over 7. Chamay natanit siya. Times 16 over 1. Chamay? Chamay
Yes.
Then multiply. Can we cut 22 and 16? 7 and 16? Can we cut 7 and 16? May die.
May die.
You are, I think you are still ngong. Ngong may? Ngong may? Ohoy. Ngong may niya.
ID kaya.
I will not proceed. You are floating, you are flying, your mind is flying. I will again. Yeah. You are not ready today. This is the second day. I know. This is the second day. Please tell me if you are ready, because this is waste of time. Ready or not?
Yes.
Okay na, before I will give work. Okay, here. The radius, example number 1. The radius is equal to 16 centimeters. Am I? Now, the question, example number 1. Find the circumference of a circle. Take pi is equal to 22 over 7. To get the circumference, C is equal to 2 pi r, or 2 times pi times r. Okay, so 2, we will not write C, no? 2 times the value of pi, 22 over 7.
22 over 7.
Times the radius,
Radius
16.
20.
16.
16.
16. Therefore, this is a fraction. What's the fraction of 2? That is 2 over 1.
2 over 1.
Am I? 16 over 1. Now, as I have said, last term 1, if we will multiply the fraction, we need to find the number that we can cut. Cut day may? No one. 7 and 2 may die. 7 and 16 may die. Samay?
Yeah.
So therefore, we will multiply them. 2 times 22 times 16 over 1 times 7 times 1. So 2 times 22 times 16 is equal to?
44.
Okay, 2 times 22 is 44. Samay?
Yeah.
44 times 16.
Um,
Let's say here, 44 times 16. Because 2 times 22 is 44. Samay? 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 4, 24 plus 2,
26.
26. 1 times 4 is 4. 1
4.
times 4 is 4. 4, 0, 1, 7.
7.
Therefore, 704 over 7. Are we done? Not yet.
Not yet
Because
done.
we will divide 704 divided by 7. So 704 divided by 7 is 1. 7, bring down 0. 0 divided by 7 is 0. 0 times 7 is 0. Bring down 4. 4 divided by 7 is 0.
0.
And 0 times 7 is 0 minus, that is 4. So 104 over 7. So therefore, the circumference of that circle is 104 over 7 centimeters. Okay, Mai?
Yes.
Okay. So I think you are confused of the book because the book did not explain one by one. Unlike my explanation here, why it became 104 over 7. So that's the answer. So they divided the 704 divided by 7.
7.
And the answer is a fraction, a mixed number. So 104 over 7 centimeters. Let's go to the second example. Example number 2. I will use this one. The circle. Okay, example number 2. The same. Example number 2 is, let's use color blue. Find the circumference of a circle with a diameter. Diameter na? Let's try that one. May siya radius. Diameter. A diameter of the diameter of circle D is 20 centimeters. Okay na? From here to here, that is what we call diameter. And there is a center point here, which is center point D, or the circle D. Okay? So that is the given. Now, the formula to find the circumference of the circle is equal to, C is equal to, circumference is equal to
2 pi r.
2 pi
2 pi
r.
r.
Do not forget 2 pi r, and take, what's the value of pi here in this question? Pi is equal to
22 over
I
7.
Chai. Look at the example number 2.
3.14.
3.14.
3.14. Natanid siya. No? So it's very easy because the problem here, they will tell you what to use. It's either, example number 1, the book said, please use 22 over 7. Example number 2, the book said use 3.14. And you will ask me, teacher, is it the same? The same. The same. But they give you very easy work because they suggest you the value of pi. Because if we will use 3.14 in example number 2, it's easier. Very easy.
Oh, they have two examples.
Example number, we are in example number 2. Do not cry, Tanyarat. Tanyarat, do not cry. Why are you crying, Tanyarat? Huh? Okay. Let's get the, okay, this one, you need to wake up. You need to wake up, grade 6. 2 times. Okay, Nadid, what is our pi? 3.14, samay? Nadid, what is our R?
20 là chưa?
Pato. That is
Tên
diameter.
hoài à?
10 ไง
Oh, meaning everyone, no? That's why I am asking you. You need to wake up. Diameter is 20. So meaning this is 10. This is 10. R, cap R. We have 2 radius here. Samay? Diameter, pen-diameter nga eh. Na diameter. But this is R.
What is 2 pi r mean?
What is 2 pi R means? It's the formula. We cannot change that one. Look. To get
Formula คืออะไรอ่ะ
formulaคืออะไรเป็นอย่างนี้นะลูก length times width times height อันนี้เป็น formula
อ๋อ
to get the volume of the cuboid length times width อันนี้อะไร to get the area of the อันนี้ these are what we call formula. Okay, we use that one so that we can get the value of the volume, the circumference, the area. Okay, may? Okay na? So, do not change the 2 pi r. May tumplihan lay. Remember to get the circumference of a circle. I will send you a video later. I will share you a video and you'll study by yourself about pi. Okay? Now, look at the question example number 2. Diameter is 20. But the formula 2 pi r. So meaning the diameter, okay na? Listen to me na. One diameter is equal to 2 radius. Siya may Nadid?
Oh, sorry.
Siya may? 2 radius. Oh, I know. I can see the face. Look at this one. Radius. The drawing. Radius. But example number 2 is equal to is diameter. Diameter nga eh. From the point, I will use color red. From the point, going there is 1 radius. Radius 1. From the point, going to another one is radius 2. So meaning, we have 2 radius in diameter. Samay? Meaning,
Yeah.
10 and 10 is equal to diameter of 20. Ohoy. Kreng ngay, kreng. Kason, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, explain in Thai.
Oh.
Let your mom hear you. ก็คือ
เขาเรียกว่าอะไรนะ is doesn't radius I think
ภาษาไทย
ฮะ
เป็นคนไทยไหมเนี่ย
ไท Thai teacher
โอเคไทยไง
จ้ะ
โอเค
โอเค I speak Thai นะ ก็คือไอ้เจ้าตัวเขาเรียกว่าอะไรนะ radius กับไอ้ diameter ซึ่ง1 diameter เท่ากับ2 radius เพราะว่า1 radius มันคือครึ่งของ diameter
correct
I don't know what is diameter in Thai
what's diameter in Thai can you search diameter
เส้นผ่าศูนย์กลางค่ะทีเชอร์เส้นผ่าศูนย์ใช่ไหม
เส้นอะไรนะเส้นอะไรนะเส้นเล็ก
เส้นผ่า
เส้น
ใหญ่
ผ่าศูนย์กลางพี่เชื่อเส้นผ่าศูนย์กลาง
เส้นเล็กเส้นใหญ่
no
Yes.
not ก๋วยเตี๋ยว
ไม่ใช่
not noodle
ไม่ใช่ noodles okay question everyone no questions let's proceed so our radius here in example number 2 is 10 the formula to find the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Look at the copy. The diameter of the circle is twice the radius. Am I? Look at that one. It says here the diameter of the circle is twice a radius. Therefore, D is equal to 2 times r. Diameter is equal to 2 times r. 2 times the radius. You know what? This one here, this drawing is easier to understand. Easier to understand than the book. Nah? This one is divided by 2. So, let's proceed. Let's proceed now. Okay. So we will use 10. Okay. There's the radius is equal to 10. Why? Because the diameter is 20. Diameter is 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. So we will use 2 pi r. 2 times 3.14 times 10. Times 10. Ui. ใช่ไหมครับ
yes
I know this. I know these faces. You don't understand this. You don't understand.
Teacher, why time 10 น่ะ
Why times 10 ปาโถยโอ้โหย
radius นะ radius
R ไงเป็น R the radius. We did not use 20 because the 20 is a diameter. Do any look. Look at the drawing. It says there diameter is 20. But we will follow this one. 2 times pi times r. So what is r? Radius.ใช่ไหม Radius. อันนี้เป็น diameter. What is the radius? From here.ใช่ไหม From here to here. อันนี้เท่าไหร่ สมมติว่าอันนี้ from here. I will use color blue. From here to here, Tanyarat is 20. ใช่ไหมครึ่ง the r here is the color red. From here, there are na r radius. From the center point going there. That is the radius. อันนี้เท่าไหร่ อันนี้เท่าไหร่ The color red.
10
10. ทำไม 10? Because
half
radius plus radius, r plus r is equal to diameter. Meaning,
diameter
plus 10 is equal to 20.
20
เข้าใจไหม
Yeah.
Okay na? So that is r. R plus r is equal to diameter nga. Okay na? So meaning, we will follow 2 pi. The pi is 3.414 and r is 10. Proceed. So that is very easy. 2 times 10 con. Kunai, 2 times 10 con. So that is easy. Easier, no? 20 times 3.14. So 3.14 times 20. Wrong. 20 con. 20. So 20 times 3.14. Tinay ko dahil. Uy, ngong. Salap ka.
you got
And 1 4 first na.
Yes, times 20. Okay, 0, 0, 0. Samay?
yes
2
go
times
to
4, 8, 2, 6. 0, 8, 2, 6. How many point? 1, 2. Samay? 1, 2. So that is 62.80 centimeters, or 68 is equal to 62.8 centimeters. Tuan. Kazay mai?
yes
Kazay yang.
Teacher.
Yes. Question. Apa sana? Penyarat.
Why use 3.14?
Ow!
At the
3.14 and 22/7
read example 2. The example 2 said use or take pi is equal to 3.14. The book said already we will use. Samay? Look at this one, oh. Natanit siya. Look at example 2. Samay? Hen may? Example 2. Hen may ya? The box. Hen may? There is the word there. Find below. What is the word? The last words. The last word. Midzut. And then take. May take samay? Take pi is equal to 3.14. Meaning, the book said we will use 3.14. Look, go back to example 1. Go back to example 1. And my take pi is equal to 22/7. The book tell us we need to use that one.
อ๋อ คือ the book will tell ใช่ไหม will
ใช่
use
look at the try it. Look at the try it. Try it. Look at the try below. มีไหม Find the circumference. Take.ไง So do not ask me, teacher, why we use 3.14. Teacher, why we use 22/7. The book told you already.
โอเค teacher I
เห็นนะ
understand
เข้าใจแล้วนะโอเคเข้าใจแล้วเฮ้ย Okay na. Okay, let's go to try it. Let's understand try it first, no? Maybe teacher Juvin will not give work today. I want everyone to understand today. No, maybe let's use first. Okay na? Try it letter A. Okay, alay na? Take alay na? Take pi is equal to
3.14.
do not ask me, teacher, Kamay, we use 3.14. The book tell you already. Use 3.14. Okay? We will use 2 pi r circumference. Samay? Letter A. Radius. You need to read. A radius. Tanyarat hamay panalay. A radius, letter B is diameter. Samay? If you will see a diameter divided by 2 con. For example, diameter letter B 160. What is the radius? What is the half of 160?
80.
80. So we will use 80. Okay, now let's use letter A. Let's answer letter A, Con. 15 centimeters the radius. Follow. Letter A na, yang ngay. 2 times 3.14 times 15. Ani ko po leo. Ohoy. Easy. Easy mากๆเลย you can use very easy. You don't need to think. 2 times 15 เท่าไหร่นาตานิชา
30.
30. Okay. Meaning 30 times 3.14. อันนี้ง่ายกว่า so 3.14 times 30 0 0 0 3 times 4 12 1 3 times 1 3 plus 1 4 3 times 3 9 0 2 4 9. How many numbers? 1 2 1 2. The answer is 94.20 or 94.2 because 0 has no value. 94.2 alay Carabao, Buffalo, centimeters. Do not forget. Do not forget centimeters. Do not forget meters. Okay, easy. Letter B. Letter B, letter B, letter B, everyone. Diameter is 160 centimeters. Therefore, the radius is equal to
80.
80 centimeters. Half, kรึ่ง kung diameter is equal to R. Because R 80 plus 80 is equal to 160. Ani pen R, ani pen R.
Yes.
Okay, may? Okay, no. So we will use 3.14 pi and then 2 pi R. So 2 times 3.14 times 80. Ani eng. Very easy eng. Ohoy. Siya may natanit siya. 2 times 80 Con. Pato, 2 times 8.
160.
160 ใช่ไหมso 160 times 3.14 0 0 0 6 times 4
24.
24 4 carry 2 6 times 1
6
plus
and
2
8.
8.
8 then 1 6 times 3
18.
18 narati sut na ilo then 4 1 3 ใช่ไหมโอ้โห 0 โอ้โห teacher ไม่มีอะไรนะไม่มีสมองอันนี้ก็ได้8 1ใช่ไหมอันนี้3 1 3 1 โอเคสมองนี้ไหน teacher
ที่ชอบไม่เลื่อนมันแค่
โอเค plus 4 8 plus 4
12.
12
12.
carry 1 10 carry 1 5 1 2 1 2 meaning
502.4.
500.4 Carabao
4
centimeters.
เซนติเมตรนะคาราบาว
Do not forget. เข้าใจไหม Very easy. So tomorrow we will continue the try it, no? And maybe I will ask you to solve by yourself and let's see if your answer is correct. Okay? So
Okay.
I will end the recording.